Hard-shelled nuts hide mouth-watering treasures inside. The troop's youngsters watch, learn, and train.
It takes both skill and intelligence to perfect the technique. But the rewards are great. Even if a little bitter. It's a significant moment. Capuchins only survive here by being smart and learning from trial and error. But such intelligence is not confined to primates.
Her feathers cushion the impact just enough. But making it to the ocean does not guarantee safety. Gulls squabble, giving time for reinforcements to arrive. They're all in it together.